Hello friends, this is Sarah from Fixerbaba. So we are going to replace a broken back glass of iPhone 10 which is in my hand. So we are going to replace this one with the latest laser machine. So guys, as all you have seen my process, I fixed this iPhone 10 broken back glass. If anybody has these issues, just come to us, contact us. The Fixerbaba will fix all of your issues. And not only the mobiles, the MacBook, laptops, iWatches and more services will do here. Just contact Fixerbaba and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And please share my video with your friends and family. Thank you.